the sun begins to set on this long, amazing life, I find myself alone with no girlfriend or a wife. But I have 3 gorgeous children, all dressed up for success. My everlasting legacy, I'm proud to confess. As the sun sets up above, let me thank you for the love and the memories will last of a life fulfilled past. If you ask my opinion, it all went too fast, but I'm thankful for the love as the sun sets up above. We've all done things we would change, but my 2 loves I would never rearrange. My intentions were never to hurt you. All I wanted was to protect you. Sometimes my actions were wrong. That's why I'm writing this song, to try my best to make amends before the dawning of the very end. As the sun